Hi everyone, it's Lewis from the Vevox customer success team here. This is just a short video to show you how to integrate your Vevox present view and GoToMeeting. So we've created our Vevox session for GoToMeeting here, and we've also got our GoToMeeting meeting set up. Now if we click share screen, this will allow us to choose what we want to share. So we'll choose our screen, we press share, and now our audience is seeing this screen in the background. If I then go to present full screen, I'm able to operate my meeting. So we drag this out of the way onto our other screen, or if you don't have a second monitor, you can always shrink the controls. And now we can actually operate our Vevox session. We can run our polls, we can adjust our Q&A, and everything works as it normally would, and your audience will be able to see this. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please do get in touch with us here at Vevox, and you can do so by emailing support@vevox.com. Thanks very much, and we'll speak soon.